Now, dosing, which I think I just threw in there when it came to the food, but let's specifically talk about dosing. Now, when you are ready to start dosing like your own stuff, you realize when you go to the dispensary that, at least here in Miami Beach, can't speak at all dispensaries, but most of the time things are like 5 milligrams, 10 milligrams, right? You might get a bag that's like 100 milligrams. And let's make sure you understand this. 100 milligrams will be equivalent to you buying a THC of 10%. That is 100 milligrams. Actually, you'll have to be like 11 or 12% because you're still going to lose some of this on the process. So if you bought a flower that was 12% and then you're going to decarb it, and let's say you got 100% left when it was done, that'll be equivalent to you getting a bag of edibles that was 100 milligrams divided to 10 pieces. It's the exact same thing, right? Now, doing this is very possible. You could do it so many ways. Some of the easiest ways to do it would be with the butter. If you don't want to do a butter, you could do an oil base. Say you cook with oils. You have your favorite one, like avocado oil, sunflower oil, MCT oil, which is basically coconut oil. I was doing grapeseed oil. I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. The reason I wanted to do grapeseed oil for the longest is because when I worked in the kitchen, a lot of times we just use grapeseed oil for the high proof alcohol, or Jesus, we use the grapeseed oil for the how high the heat can go without the smoking point, but avocado oil actually goes a lot higher than that, and it's a little more safer and more healthier, and just better for the environment and for your body. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to use it anymore, but we used it for a long time, and it was fantastic. It just made it easier to know that if you're cooking at home and I'm like, okay, you can sear with this, the chances of you burning it is going to be pretty slim. And then you can just keep using it.